If you're seeing Figma Error 331, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error can happen when Figma has trouble loading properly, usually because of a browser issue, cached app data, security software, or even your network connection. The good news is that most people can solve it without any advanced troubleshooting. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, we want to test whether the problem is only happening in the desktop app or if it also happens in the browser. Open Figma in a private or incognito browser window. This is important because private mode helps remove saved cookies, extensions, and session data from the equation. If Figma works normally in incognito, then the issue is likely related to the desktop app, your browser cache, or an extension interfering with the connection. If Figma still gives you trouble in the browser, take a note of that, because it tells you the issue is probably broader than just the desktop app. But if the browser version loads fine, that's a big clue. In that case, you can focus on the desktop app side of the fix and move to the next step. Now let's clear the application cache. A corrupted cache is one of the most common reasons Figma can stop loading correctly or throw strange errors like this. Go into your computer settings or the Figma app preferences and reset the desktop app cache. If you're on Windows, you may need to clear the app data from the system settings. If you're on a Mac, you may need to remove cached files from the app's support folders. The exact location can vary depending on your setup, but the goal is the same. Remove old stored data so Figma can rebuild a fresh cache the next time it launches. After clearing the cache, restart the Figma desktop app completely. Don't just close the window, make sure it fully quits in the background too, then reopen it and try loading your file again. In a lot of cases, that alone can fix the problem because Figma is no longer trying to use broken or outdated cached data. Next, check your security software. Sometimes the issue isn't Figma itself, but something on your network blocking it from connecting properly. Corporate VPNs, strict firewalls, and third-party antivirus browser extensions can all interfere with Figma, especially if they block port 443, which is commonly used for secure web traffic. If you're on a work or school network, this step is especially important. Temporarily disable your VPN if you're using one. If you have firewall rules or antivirus web protection turned on, pause them briefly just for testing. Then try loading Figma again. If it suddenly works, you found the source of the problem. That doesn't mean you need to leave protection off forever, but it does mean you may need to create an exception for Figma in your security software or ask your IT team to allow the connection. If you're still seeing error 331, the next thing to try is switching networks. This is a really useful test because it helps you figure out whether the problem is coming from your internet connection, router, or ISP. The easiest way to do this is by connecting your computer to a temporary mobile hotspot from your phone. Once you're on the hotspot, open Figma again and try loading the same file. If Figma works on the hotspot, that strongly suggests your main network is the issue. It could be your router, DNS settings, ISP restrictions, or a local firewall rule. If it still doesn't work even on a different network, then the problem is more likely tied to the app, your account session, or a system-level setting on your device. At this point, if Figma is still not loading, go back and recheck the earlier steps carefully. Make sure you tested in incognito mode, cleared the app cache properly, reviewed your security software, and tried a second network. These 4 checks solve a large number of connection-related Figma errors, including Error 331. To recap, the fastest way to fix Figma Error 331 is to first test it in a private browser window, then clear the desktop app cache, then check for VPN or firewall interference, and finally switch to a mobile hotspot to rule out network restrictions. If one of those steps works, you'll know exactly what was causing the issue. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more advanced Figma troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.